How to fix mobile data not working on Clash of Clans. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Scroll down, head towards the option of Cellular. Now open this option of Cellular Data Options. Make sure you have toggle off for the option of Low Data Mode. Now head back. Scrolling down, over here you're gonna find all the apps that are installed in your device. Go ahead and find the app Clash of Clans. Once you find it, toggle on for it and then head back. Now scroll down, open this option General, head towards the option of Background App Refresh. At the very top, you'll find the option of Background App Refresh, open it. Check in for the option of Wi-Fi and cellular data, head back. Now over here find the app Clash of Clans. Once you find it, toggle on for it. Now head back, go to the main page of settings. Go to this option General, scroll down, click on this option Shut Down. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and again turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, open this option iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. Likewise, find the app Clash of Clans. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix mobile data not working on Clash of Clans. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.